Stand it is. Break. Attention. Break. फिर से one time, one more time. Again. Break. एक साथ कदम डाल शुरू कर. Break. Stop. Break. Stand it is.
अजून राईट लाईन
नाही येत नाही तिथं वरती बटन
बस हे करा की
कॅरी करते भरपूर
नाही एवढं नको
पोहोचते ना म्यूट करता येते थोडा मुलांच्याकडे एकदा फिरूया राजन इकडे ये, राजन इथे सोडा
शूट करू
Hello. Move fast. Sujal. Break. Attention. Break. Right turn. Turn your right. Check your line properly. Move your right side. Those are back there. See, still the standing close. And make equal line, boys. Break. Left turn. Break. एक साथ कदम डाल शुरू कर. Break. Go. Break. Stand it is.
राजूला तर लय व्हायचं तिकडून टेन्शन
Good morning. This is agenda for today's program. First, flag hosting, then national anthem and flag song, group song, speeches, KG, primary, middle secondary, then group dance, secondary 2 dances. Thank you.
केमिस्ट्री काय विनोद
ककडे तर किती सर
ककडे तर माग असणार ते पडद्याच्या पुढे येत नाही
थोडा जेव्हा सकाळचा
म्यूट असेल गेला ऑप्शन नाही कुठं तरी शिवाय फ्लॅश आहे डाऊन साईड स्टेज थांबा एक मिनिट डाऊन साईड स्टेज दाखवा म्हणाले
Good morning. There is an announcement. After the flag hosting, teachers should sit right and left side of the stage. Thank you.
सरांची
वतन हमारा ऐसा कोई ना छोड़ पाए,
रिश्ता हमारा ऐसा कोई ना तोड़ पाए।
ना पूछो जमाने से कहानी
हमारी पहचान तो बस इतनी है कि हम हैं हिंदुस्तानी, हम हैं हिंदुस्तानी, हम हैं हिंदुस्तानी।
I Anushka
And I Nidhi and the spiritual weather are pleased to offer you a very warm welcome and a happy safe 72nd Republic Day. Due to this pandemic situation, there was tremendous fear and chaos everywhere.
But in this situation also, our school managed to maintain a safe touch of students with extracurricular activities.
Yes, even today's event of Republic Day is also being telecast online through YouTube with the efforts of our technical department, and later on it will be uploaded on our school's YouTube channel too.
We find immense pleasure in welcoming our chief dignitaries, our Honorable Chairman Mr. Samir Birnale Sir, our Honorable Director Sagar Sir, respected Deepa Ma'am, Meenal Ma'am, our beloved Principal Ms. Sharda Khot Ma'am, and all the coordinates Hema Miss, Dinesh Sir, Asharani Miss, and Seema Miss.
We all are very fortunate and blessed to have these great dignitaries and our beloved teachers as our support system.
Yes, Nidhi, you are absolutely right. Today is a very auspicious day. Today, we all are gathered here to celebrate a proud day for all Indians and look back on the efforts made by the most dignified members of the Constituent Assembly.
Before we begin with this auspicious program, let me give you some quick information about Republic Day. This day is celebrated to give honor to the longest constitution of the largest democracy in the world. This occasion marks the patriotic spirit within us and encourages us to be loyal and respectful towards our nation, nationality and constitution.
So now, let's start our program by flag hosting ceremony. Unlike other schools, our school's flag is hosted by students. This unique and creative protocol is followed by our school since many years. So I request our Honorable Chairman Sir and other dignitaries to proceed further for coconut breaking and flag hosting ceremony. This year, the flag is being hosted by Arjun Deshpande and Sara Horoli, the captains of 2019-2020 leading houses Saturn and Jupiter respectively.
ते कॅमेरा पकड राजा ऐका ना कोणतं रोटेट
The national flag of India was designed by Pingali Venakya as Swaraj flag. The concept of Swaraj flag was adopted from Mahatma Gandhi's proposal to Swaraj flag to Indian National Congress in 1921. The flag was adopted 22nd of July 1947. The flag represents India as an independent and democratic country.
The national flag of India is matter of pride to all Indian citizens, including the NRIs. The national flag unites the diverse cultures of different castes and religions in one thread of brotherhood. Every Indian citizen must safeguard and protect the national flag, its dignity and honor.
The national anthem is the heart of every Indian. So I would like you all to stand up and salute to our national flag with great honor and respect in our heart and pour it by singing the national anthem along with the group.
Parade! Attention! Parade! एक साथ झंडा का सलाम देगा सलामी तब एक साथ राष्ट्रगान सुरक्षित आप नीचे बोलो भारत माता की
जय
बोलो भारत माता की
जय
वंदे
मातरम
वंदे
मातरम
एक साथ झंडा के सुरक्षित
Thank you. So now let's move on towards our next event. Songs can send out the magnetic signal with that is drawing parallel back to you in your mind. It changes the mental attitude with invariably conditions and it also corresponds and attracts you to your mind, to your nature.
Now we would like to call upon our talented musicians of ABPS to show their devotions towards our diverse motherland India by a very heart-melting song Teri Mitti.
This song is presented by Shreya Patil, Shreya Hakke, Samruddhi, Shrishti and Tanmay from Standard 10. So audience, let's welcome them with a great applause.
रिकॉर्ड यार
We also welcome the B.Ed principal Mr. P.K. Patil sir.
लाईव्ह दिसला
मला काय ते
मोठा मार खाल्ला थोडा आरोग्य आहे काय
Oh, what a heart-touching and melodious performance it was. Thank you all the rising musicians to take our audience to a beautiful world of music. Don't you think, Nidhi?
Yes, of course, Anushka. You are right. But by the way, I would like to say you that we don't have just talented James in music, we have in others too.
As it is said, we all are born with a divine fire in us. Our effort should be to give wings to this fire and fill the world with the glow of its goodness.
So, to enhance the fire of patriotism in our audience hearts, let's call upon the little champ Manasvi Shinde from Senior KGA to express her views on unity and integrity of India during pandemic in Hindi.
not enough space already.
कर बंद कर बंद
Complete?
Not enough space म्हणते.
झूम करे जरा
Switch off करून बघू.
Hello. आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य गुरुजन और मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, आज मैं गणतंत्र दिवस के बारे में कुछ शब्द बोलने जा रही हूँ। हम सभी भारतीय 26 जनवरी पर गणतंत्र दिवस मनाते हैं। इस दिन भारत का संविधान लागू हुआ था। यह दिन पूरे भारत में बड़े गर्व से मनाया जाता है। सभी लोग उत्साह और जोश के साथ ये दिन मनाते हैं। देश के विभिन्न हिस्सों में ध्वजारोहण समारोह और परेड आयोजित की जाती है। लोग वंदे मातरम और जनगण मन जैसे देशभक्ति पर गीत गाते हैं। गणतंत्र दिवस हमें शांति, सद्भाव और प्रगति का संदेश देता है। धन्यवाद। आप सभी को गणतंत्र की शुभकामनाएं।
So it was a Chota Packet Bada Dhamaka Wali performance, isn't it, audience? She seems small like a rabbit, but roars like a lioness.
Yes, Nidhi, you're absolutely right. But you think of some more appreciative words, as there is one more chartbuster kid ready to fire the stage by her views.
So let's call upon Shrisha Sontake from Senior KGB to express her views in English. So audience, let's put your hand together for the sweet little girl.
A very good morning to all and a very happy Republic Day. I'm student of class Senior KGB and my name is Srisha Santosh Sontake. Today is Republic Day and I am going to say a few words about this festival. We celebrate this festival every year. I'm
Silly.
एक्सप्रेशन
Expression.
समोर थांब लाईट साईडला जाऊन थांबा म्हणा.
Today is Republic Day. I'm going to say a few words about this festival to express my gratitude as a constitution to express my gratitude. We celebrate this festival every year.
girl. So audience, come on and let's give her a big round of applause. So audience, are you ready for the next kid to rock the stage by her views? So let's call upon Raj Nandini Retrekar from First Aid to give speech in English.
Welcome to HCS World. Good morning, respected chief guests, principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Greeting to all of you on this auspicious day that is Republic Day. I, Miss Rajnandini Vishwas Retrekar, would like to share my thoughts about unity and integrity of India during pandemic. India is a vast country with various cultural, religious divisions. Yet we are united in diversity because we are one nation. Diversity is not our weakness, but it is our strength. The recent corona pandemic has shown the strength of unity in our country as well as in the world. Starting with medical field, doctors, nurses and all the healthcare workers throughout the country have set an excellent example of unity. Then comes police department, which has helped government in maintaining peace in society during lockdown period and helping the needy people in all ways. The media all over the country has also played an important role by providing useful information about corona disease, its symptoms, care and social distancing. All the social workers, social organizations, NGOs and many more given the helping hand in the corona pandemic. Each and every Indian has contributed for our country. Today I feel so proud to be Indian. Jai Hind, love India.
Oh wow, what a remarkable speech it was. Thank you for sharing your delightful thoughts with us.
So now let's call upon Harshada Patil from 4th A to glorify the stage with her expressive words in Marathi.
नमस्कार, मी हर्षदा पाटील, मी 4थीत शिकते. आज 26 जानेवारी. आज भाषणासाठी असणारा विषय खूपच आव्हानात्मक आहे. कोणत्याही संकट काळातच आपली मानसिक आणि शारीरिक क्षमता समजू शकते. हे एखाद्या व्यक्तीच्या बाबतीत होऊ शकते, पण संकट जेव्हा संपूर्ण देशावरच, तसं पाहिलं तर जगावरच म्हणायला हवं. त्यामुळेच या काळात आपल्या भारतीय लोकांची अखंडता व एकता तपासून पाहता आली. देशाची आर्थिक भक्कमता जितकी महत्त्वाची, तितकीच मानसिक, शारीरिक, आध्यात्मिक मानसिकता व माणुसकी जपण्याची कला व कसब या संकट काळात जाणविले. खरं तर इतक्या सहजरित्या वेळेचे बंधन पाळून बोलण्याचा हा विषयच नाही. असं म्हणतात, निसर्गाला जेव्हा माणुसकीची परीक्षा घ्यायची असते, तेव्हा थोड्या कालावधीनंतर अशा नैसर्गिक आपत्ती येत असतात. तेव्हाच माणुसकीचे दर्शन घडण्याचे योग येत असतात. संकटाचे संधीत रूपांतर करण्याची कला भारतीय लोकांमध्ये पुन्हा एकदा दिसून आली. कोरोना हा विषाणू भारतात आला खरा, त्याने आपल्या जवळच्या माणसांचे बळी सुद्धा घेतले. कितीतरी घरं उद्ध्वस्त झाली, पण कोरोना जितकं घेण्यासाठी आला होता, तितकं काही त्याच्या हाती लागले नाही. इतर देशांच्या तुलनेत आपल्या भारतीय आयुर्वेदाने दिलेले वरदान आपल्या मोलाचे ठरले. माणसात देव असतो असे जे आपले साधू, संत, महात्मे, थोर पुरुष सांगून गेले, त्याची सुद्धा प्रचिती आली. सगळे डॉक्टर, नर्स, वैद्यकीय कर्मचारी, सफाई कर्मचारी, सेवाभावी संस्था या सर्वांनी देवदूताचे कार्य केले. जेव्हा कोरोनामुक्त रुग्ण घरी परतला, तेव्हा त्याला मृत्यूच्या दाढेतून बाहेर काढणारे हेच देवदूत आज सर्वांच्या सन्मानाला पात्र झाले. सर्वात महत्त्वाची होती ती आपल्या भारतीय लोकांची अखंडता व एकता. रुग्णाला दवाखान्यात पोहोचवण्यापासून ते मृत व्यक्तींचे अंतिम संस्कार करण्यापर्यंत कोणीही कुठेही जात धर्माचा विचार नाही केला. जेव्हा संपूर्ण जग कामकाजाशिवाय बंद होतं, तेव्हा आम्ही एकमेकाला जगवताना जात, धर्म, वर्ण यांचा विचार नाही केला. आज भारत देशावर संपूर्ण जगाचा विश्वास आहे. त्याच कोरोनाच्या भारतीय कोविड प्रतिबंध लसींना आज जगभरात मागणी आहे. एका अर्थाने कोरोना या संकटाने भारतीयांना एकात्मकता, सर्वधर्म समभाव, अखंडता, दानशूरता या सर्वांबरोबरच संपूर्ण जगाला आपली ओळख करून देण्याची संदेश प्राप्त झाली असे म्हटले तरी वावगे होणार नाही. धन्यवाद.
Oh, what a great performance was this by Harshada Patil. Thank you so much for motivating us and our audience by your wonderful thoughts. These kids have made us held our head with proud and respects to our mother country.
इसलिए तो आज मैं इस शुभ अवसर पर एक शायरी अर्ज करना चाहती हूँ. तो अर्ज किया है.
अरे वाह निधि, इरशाद इरशाद.
बलिदानों का सपना जब सच हुआ, देश तभी आजाद हुआ. बलिदानों का सपना जब सच हुआ, देश तभी आजाद हुआ. आज सलाम करें उन वीरों को जिनकी शहादत से ये भारत गणतंत्र हुआ, गणतंत्र हुआ, गणतंत्र हुआ.
वाह वाह, बहुत खूब निधि. मैं भी इस शुभ अवसर पर कुछ अर्ज करना चाहती हूँ.
अरे वाह, इरशाद इरशाद.
तिरंगा हमारा है, शान है जिंदगी, वतन परिस्ती है, वफा है जिंदगी. देश के लिए मर मिटना कबूल है हमें, देश के लिए मर मिटना कबूल है हमें. अखंड भारत के स्वप्न का जुनून है हमें, जुनून है हमें, जुनून है हमें.
वाह 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 वाह, क्या खूब कहा है अनुष्का.
धन्यवाद निधि.
Now we would like to hand over the mic to Anish Shetty and Ronit Shah to proceed the further event. Thank you.
थैंक यू निधि अनुष्का. आन देश की शान, देश की हम संतान है. आन देश की शान, देश की हम संतान है. तीन रंगों से रंगा तिरंगा, अपनी यह पहचान है, अपनी यह पहचान है. इस दिन के लिए वीरों ने अपना खूब खून बहाया है. झूम उठो देशवासियों, गणतंत्र दिवस फिर आया है, गणतंत्र दिवस फिर आया है. आप सभी को हमारी तरफ से गणतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. So now let's call Arya Mehta of class 7C to express her views on unity and integrity of India during pandemic.
Good morning, Honorable Chief Guest, Honorable Principal Miss, respected teachers and everyone else present here. I am Arya Mathri from 7C class, and today on our 72nd Republic Day, I have got a golden opportunity to tell you about unity and integrity of India during the pandemic. So, what is a pandemic? A pandemic is an outbreak of global proportion. It happens when infection due to bacteria or virus spreads rapidly in the whole world. There are some past pandemics like plague, cholera and bird flu. But in present, COVID-19 is the worst pandemic that all of us are facing with. The impact of this pandemic is on all of us. However, it is felt differently depending on our status as an individual and a member of society. The government, World Health Organization and health experts advise us preventive measures like washing hands, wearing masks, following social distancing. Despite following these preventive measures, there were increasing cases of COVID-19 day by day. The government arranged medical facilities for these people. Doctors and healthcare workers did their best to fight against the pandemic. They put their lives on risk to save the life of general public. Doctors and healthcare workers, with the help of government, also managed to overcome quarantine phobias and death fear among COVID patients. In this situation, fear for funeral of died people was also a great challenge. Many ambulance drivers and many unknown people did funeral themselves without having fear of COVID-19 infection. Hats off to these people. On the other hand, the government declared lockdown to prevent spread of virus due to physical contact. But due to this, many people lost their jobs and business were also collapsed. Laborers who lost their jobs and wanted to return to their villages could not do so because of no transport arrangements for them. In this situation, the local people showed their humanity by giving them basic needs like food, clothes, shelter and transport. These show unity and integrity of Indians regardless caste, creed and gender. Law and order is maintained by the government with the help of police staff. During lockdown, police not only did their duties but also helped poor, beggars and workers too. But now the situation is changing and improving day by day. The workers are back to their jobs and businessmen found new ray of hope and opportunity to cope up with the crisis. The health system of India developed a protocol to manage this crisis, and within 8 months, in a very short period of time, an effective COVID-19 vaccine is produced by our Indian scientists. The government COVID-19 is one of the most dangerous challenges this world has faced in its lifetime. By working together, showing humanity, solidarity and integrity, we Indians are able to overcome this pandemic. We Indians always play for the welfare of the whole world and not only for us. That is, Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramayah, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschit Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Thank you.
Wow, what a wonderful and informative speech given by Arya Mehtre. अरे अनीश, यह तो बस ट्रेलर था, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है. Freedom in the mind,
Strength in the words,
pride in our souls.
zeal in our hearts.
Let's salute.
Our great country on this Republic Day.
So now, let's call Virat Sate of class 8th to express his wonderful thoughts.
Hello. Yeah, little moment. Break. Attention. Break. Standardize. Break. Attention. Break. Standardize. Okay.
Good morning everyone present over here. I am Viraj Rajesh Sate from class 8th. Today I am delivering a speech on the occasion of Republic Day on the topic Unity and Integrity of India during the pandemic situation. India is known for unity, diversity, culture, tradition and festival. India and the whole world suffered with a very harsh pandemic. The only thing which helped us to overcome the situation was unity and integrity. The nation's collective resolve to fight the disease is visible in the efforts of million plus real-life heroes clad in white coats and khaki uniforms. The world witnessed billion plus people working with a single-minded determination to defeat the coronavirus. The pandemic brought lockdown brought unemployment. Due to unemployment, many people went through depression, but India's government and people helped them to come out of depression and also created many new chances of employment. For a while, there were no new employments, but India's government created schemes such as Integrated Rural Development Program, etc., which helped people to find new jobs. Due to pandemic, many people lost their loved ones, many people lost their earning persons. The coronavirus was at its highest peak during the season of July to October, but doctors and police worked very hard for overcoming the situation, and we successfully overcome the situation. The only thing which helped us to do so was unity and integrity. The India's people shown helpfulness by paying full salary to their workers working at their homes, offices and factories, etc. The laborers also didn't give up and find new sources of income. This shows India's unity and integrity and the care for citizens. With this I finish my speech. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Wow, such a wonderful speech given by Viraj Sate.
अनीश, क्या एक शायरी हो जाए?
क्यों नहीं, इरशाद.
ना जियो धर्म के नाम पर, ना मरो धर्म के नाम पर.
वाह वाह.
ना जियो धर्म के नाम पर, ना मरो धर्म के नाम पर. इंसानियत ही है धर्म वतन का, बस जियो वतन के नाम पर.
वाह वाह, क्या बात है.
So now let's call Riva Rathi of class 9C to express her wonderful thoughts.
If I die in a war zone, box me up and send me home. Put my medals on my chest. Tell my mom I did the best. Tell my dad not to go. He won't get tension from me now. Tell my bro to study perfectly. Keys of my bike will be his permanently. Tell my sister not to be upset. Her bro will take a long sleep after the sunset. Tell my nation not to cry because I am a soldier born to die. करे सलाम इस तिरंगे को जो हमारी शान है. सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका, जब तक दिल में जान है, जब तक दिल में जान है. Good morning to respected teachers, students and everyone present here. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy Republic Day. I am Riva Rathi from class 9C, here to present a speech on unity and integrity of India during this pandemic situation. Extraordinary situations demand extraordinary responses. We are collectively facing a COVID-19 pandemic threat that has created a global health crisis and has had a deep impact on our lives. Unity of our country worked efficiently during this pandemic. From police officials, doctors to workers and sweepers, all the departments gave their best in handling this situation. We didn't let our time get wasted. Schools and colleges started online lectures for students. Teachers showed their creativity in having their first experience teaching online. Virtual gatherings and sports were also conducted in some of the schools to motivate and encourage students for showing their creativity. Even in these difficult times, many employees of various companies kept their work going online. New entrepreneurs rose during lockdown. Many youngsters supported their family finance. Integrity of Government of India was unbelievable. Government of India under Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan has been marching forward with the aim of making the country independent against the tough competition in this global supply chain and helping empowering to the poor laborers, farmers, migrants who are adversely affected by COVID. These are difficult times when we must hold our hands together in a common endeavor with a strong belief that better days are ahead of us. Nations across the globe have also joined this fight by using great advances of science and technology. On this auspicious occasion, let's go ahead to the memories of India's freedom fighters and our great leaders. This is an occasion to reaffirm our commitment to unity in diversity, fraternity and equality among all the citizens. ये बातें हवाओं को बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना. लहू देकर जिसकी हिफाजत हमने की, ऐसे तिरंगे को सदा दिल में बसाए रखना. जय हिंद, जय भारत. Thank you.
Wow, such an outstanding speech. Every 26th Jan, all the states of India present the glimpses of the state and present various dances and activities in front of the Red Fort, which gives us a feeling of immense patriotism. To bind us with the same feeling of patriotism, the students of class 9 are going to present a group dance before you. So please put your hands together for them.
शहीद हुए हैं उनकी सराया करो कुर्बानी. चंदे से आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं, वो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाते हैं कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे कि तुम ये घर सुना सुना है. मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती. सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत प्यार है, बस तेरा प्यार माँ तुझे सलाम, तुझे सलाम.
अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना, अब तो हमें साथ ही है बस इतना ही कहना.
कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कंधों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की, थोड़ी सी खुशबू बारारी सी मस्त पवन की, थोड़ी सी धोखने वाली तक 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 जिनमें हो जुनू जुनू बहू में लाल लहू की, ये सब तू मिला मिला ले, फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले, और मोहित रंग दे बसंती यारा, मोहित रंग दे बसंती, झुके तेरे आगे सर, तेरी गोद मेरा घर है, तुझे सलाम इंडिया, झुके तेरे आगे सर, तेरी गोद मेरा घर है, तुझे सलाम इंडिया।
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे प्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे प्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है।
मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती, सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती, मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती,
ए वतन हमको तेरी कसम, तेरी राहों में जान लगे बाजाने, भूल क्या चीज़ है तेरे कदमों में हम, बेटी अपने से ऊँची चढ़ा जाएंगे। ए वतन, ए वतन।
Wow, such a really wonderful presentation of patriotism. लेकिन रोनित एक से बात नहीं मानी, दिल मांगे मोर।
कहते हैं इंसानों का शरीर सिर्फ 0 से लेकर 50 तक का ही तापमान बर्दाश्त कर सकता है। जहाँ पे तापमान 0 से कम हो वहाँ हड्डियाँ पसली हो जाती है, और जहाँ तापमान 50 से ज्यादा हो वहाँ मांसपेशियाँ पिघल जाती है।
लेकिन रोनित उन वीर जवानों का क्या जो सियाचिन और लद्दाख जैसी जगह पर जहाँ तापमान -25 से कम होता है, या राजस्थान जैसी तपतीली जगह पर जहाँ तापमान 50 से ऊपर हो जाता है, वहाँ हमारे वीर जवान हमेशा डटकर हमारी रक्षा करते हैं।
तो ऐसे वीर जवानों को हमारा शत शत कोटि प्रणाम,
शत शत कोटि प्रणाम।
So here we have students of class 11 to present a group dance full of josh and enthusiasm.
रग रग में जोश की बूंदें, बूंदों में जीत ही गूंजे, रुको ना सपनों के तूफानों को, रुको ना कदमों की उड़ानों को, रुको ना ख्वाबों के निशानों को, आग जैसे बरसा दे ये इरादे, जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरा है, जिगरे से निकलेगी चिंगारियां, ओ जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरा है, जिगरे से निकलेगी चिंगारियां। से अपनी फटफटिया दौड़ा, मोर
कर देख लेना, कभी तपती धूप में चल के देख लेना, कैसी होती है हिफाजत मुल्क की, कभी सरहद पर चल के देख लेना। लहू देकर जिसकी हिफाजत हमने की, ऐसे तिरंगे को सदा दिल में बसाए रखना।
पुलवामा में बड़ा आतंकवादी हमला हुआ है। इस वक्त की बड़ी खबर जम्मू कश्मीर के पुलवामा में हुआ है बड़ा आतंकवादी हमला, जिसमें कई जवानों के शहीद होने की आशंका है।
अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सादत सर महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे न रहे। मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। कुर्बान हुआ तेरी असमत पे मैं कितना नसीबों वाला था। ओ भाई मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे, क्यों आँख से दरिया बहता है। तू कहती थी तेरा चांद हूँ मैं और चांद हमेशा रहता है।
Commander, who are we? Indian Army, sir. ये जंग इंडियन आर्मी ने शुरू नहीं की थी, but we will finish it. Boys, out the door. Aye, sir. Out the door. Aye, sir. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Good.
हिंदुस्तान घर में घुसेगा भी और मारेगा।
Yes, that's what we were waiting for. Such a joyful and hostful performance.
At last, we would like to convey our message to all our brothers and sisters to maintain our peaceful coexistence and above all love for our nation.
And to promise our motherland that we will do all we can to enrich and preserve our heritage and our national ethos.
We wish you again a very happy Republic Day.
And here we declare the end of our program. Thank you everyone.